Hello and welcome to the daily Forex report for January 3rd. We are looking at the US-Japanese yen pair first. This pair closed down, did have a pretty lower, had a lower low from the previous bar. We are looking for it to continue to the downside. Look for it to potentially go as high though on a reversal up to 77.22, possibly down to 76.33. Look for some resistance around 7700. And look for some support around 76.50. Now let's take a look at the Euro-USD pair. This pair closed higher, been moving sideways overall. Look for it to potentially go as high as 132.01, possibly as low as 128.42. Look for some resistance around 13100, and look for some support around 128.95. Now the pound US dollar pair, this pair surged to the upside today, moving long term overall, moving sideways. Look for it to potentially go as high as 157.96, possibly as low as 154.22. Look for some resistance around 156.75, and look for some support around 155.50. Now the US Swiss has been moving sideways as well. It pulled lower today, closed lower. Look for it to potentially go as high as 0.9469 on a reversal, possibly as low as 0.9209. Look for some resistance around 0.9395, and look for some support around 0.9300. Alright, there are no significant news announcements, not until Friday. What I'm looking for, if you go to the Euro-USD, go to the 4-hour time frame, back out a little ways, you'll see that we have an area here of previous area of resistance, or support rather, that we had that kind of moved higher and then it broke to the downside. What I'm looking for is that to break down again. Let me change that color so you can actually see that trend line, or horizontal line as it would be. So looking for a break around the 130.38 mark, and looking for it to come down to this high right around the 130.3000 level. Now I know it says 129.98, but we should see some support there. Basically looking for a short at 130.38 and looking for it to come down about 38 pips during the next couple of sessions. This is on the 4-hour time frame. I do anticipate a pullback over this next session. Well, that about wraps us up for today. Until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.